Hello friends, my name is Naeem, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful title slide in PowerPoint. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. So let's start our today's tutorial. The first thing that I'm going to do here, I will format the background. So after right clicking, I have this menu open. I will go into solid color and I will select this eyedropper, and I have a color that I'm going to pick this color already here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make another rectangle box on this slide, which will be slightly smaller than the slide size. Okay, so I will remove the outline, no outline, and I'll pick a color with the help of eyedropper, maybe this color. So what I will do, I'll make it slightly transparent, maybe to 30%. Okay, so this looks fine to me. The next step I'm going to do, going into shapes, and I'll select this rounded rectangle shape and I will draw it here. So if you see this orange bubble, with this I'll make it slightly more rounded to that extreme. Okay, so for just time being, I'll fill black color and I'll remove the outline as no outline. So I'm making another copy. So basically I want a little bit gap in between these two. Okay, so I want this much gap. So with the help of control key, and I'm dragging it with the mouse, let's make some copies. Okay, so I have it here. What I'm going to do, I will just resize I will just change their sizes, random sizes slightly. Some will be small, some will be kind of big. So I'm pressing Ctrl and Shift and trying to increase the size. Okay, so we have these rectangle shapes. What I'm going to do, I will select all of them and I will group it. I feel I should reduce the width a little bit so we can have our title text on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna place it in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to fill a picture here inside. Okay, in order to do that successfully, I need to keep all of these objects in one group. So I'm going to right click here. I'll go to format background, make sure it is selected, and I'll hit picture or texture fill. Okay, so basically I have tried it before. So I got the image here. How you can do it: go to insert again, select this option. So I'll go to desktop and I have this image here. So you select and you get this image here. So in my next slide I have text here, which I'm going to place it here on this slide. So let's adjust it a little bit. So let's close this, and we don't need, I'll just remove this color as well. Okay, so everything looks okay. Let's have a look in full slide mode. Okay, this is what we have created, a beautiful slide. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section and see you in next video.